Hello friends, welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making a chocolate fudge dump cake. In my past videos I've had so many people asking about dump cakes, so I'm going to go ahead and do one with this. We're going to start off with a cake mix, which is a chocolate fudge. We have some pudding, which is also chocolate fudge. You're going to have some butter, some chocolate chips, and some milk, and that's all you have to do to make this. So we're going to start off with our baking pan, which basically I'm using a glass dish, which is a 9 by 13. Once we get this sprayed with some non-stick cooking spray, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees because this is going to have to be in there for about 45 minutes. So we're going to take our cake mix and pour it across the bottom after we sprayed the pan. So just evenly spread this out across the whole bottom of your pan. It doesn't really matter how much is where because eventually we're going to mix this up a little bit anyway. Now once you've got that in, we're going to put in the instant pudding mix, which this is just a regular box of this, which is 5.1 ounces. And you're using this dry, you're not mixing it up or anything. Now the one that I found does say chocolate fudge on it. This is like the cake mix and this both are chocolate fudge, just to make sure that we have that fudgy taste. And you're just going to sprinkle this over top of the cake mix. Now for our butter, we're going to go ahead and melt this down in the microwave, which you should have about a half a cup, which is a stick of butter. And then once it's melted, we're going to incorporate that into your milk, which is 2.5 cups of milk. So once you have it melted, go ahead and pour the butter into the milk. And once you have it in there, you're going to want to stir it. Now you don't want this butter like scalding hot when you pour it into your milk. You just want to heat it up, let it sit for a second, and let it cool a little bit. And then we're going to pour the mixture over top of the dry ingredients. So pour the whole thing in there. And then we're going to take a whisk or whatever you have and mix this up a bit. It doesn't have to be thoroughly mixed. You just want to incorporate a lot of the powder from the bottom up into the wet mixture. And once that's done, we are going to take some, I used actually just straight up milk chocolate chips on top of this. You could use semi-sweet, you could use whatever you want. Most people put about 3/4 of a bag of these on there. I used the whole bag because I like chocolate. So just spread them kind of evenly across the top, because when this bakes, they're going to move around and not everything is going to stay in one place. It will bake together. However, if you cover the whole top of it, you have a fair chance of everything looking really good and even. So as I said, if you haven't already, your oven should be heated to 350 degrees because this is going to go in for about 45 minutes. So once you get all your chocolate chips on top, you are ready for the oven. And when it comes back, it will look something like this. And you can serve this with ice cream or whatever you'd like. And it is really great because it's such a sweet, fudgy taste. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. And if you get a chance, check out my cookbook, which is available on Amazon and in bookstores worldwide. I hope you have a great day.